Neiman Marcus $1 million debt.
What in the what?
Neiman Marcus $1 million debt.
I smelled the bacon.
You smelled it, bacon?
Yeah, and I told out I smelled bacon.
Wow.
Many people do.
Yum. Stop. You say mom. Call me mama. Okay. That looks good then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This isn't caviar, this is green onions.
Where did you get that ball? I got it from Uncle